Hi. Hello. How are you, Plato? You're fine. That's really good. Plato, today we're going back to the old board. Do you remember these? The duck, the dog, the cat, the cow, the rabbit with the carrot, and the rooster, and some more on the other board. Okay, let's just quickly do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 farm animals and a carrot. Yes, I hear you. And there's Stuart. Right? 6 farm animals. What we're gonna do today, yesterday, remember, we did the noises these animals make. Today we are going to do the colors. Yes, remember colors: red, green, yellow, blue. Good, good. But before we do that, can you remember the noises they make? Ducks go quack. Yes. Dogs bark. Woof, woof. Cats meow. Meow. Cows moo. Moo. They don't make a noise. They just eat carrots. And the rooster crows. Right. Let's do the colors. This little duck is, what's the color? Yellow. Good. The dog is brown. Very good. The cat is black. And if you can look very carefully, the cat has got pink ears. Good. The cow, black spots. So he's black and white. Also has got a pink nose. Good. Our bunny rabbit, pink belly, white eyes, and he is grey. Good. Yes, carrot is orange and green. What about the rooster? He's got many colors. 1, 2, 3 colors. His tail is, Plato, you know the word. His tail is green. Yes. His body is red. His wings and his neck is orange. Very good. Let's see the other 6 animals, and there we have it. Right. A pig, yes. Turkey, horse, sheep, goose, goat. Good, Plato, very good. Right. Remember the noises? Pink, oink, oink. Right. Turkey, gobble, 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 gobble. Horse, a sheep, bah, bah. Goose, and a goat. Remember I told you, nearly like a sheep. Bah, bah. Something like that. I don't know. I'm not a goat, am I? Good. Plato? Yes, Stuart, I'm going to do the colors. He just reminded me I must do the colors with you. And we have here a pink pig. Yes, a pink pig. Now we have a problem. A turkey. See, the turkey has many colors. Can you see the colors? Red, brown, green, yellow, and kind of like an orangey yellow. So just red, brown, yellow, green. Good. Horse. Horse is brown with spots. The sheep is white. White. Good, Plato. The goose is white. And the goat, well, the goat is kind of not really what a goat color looks like, but we'll go with yellow, brown, with grass, and grass is green. Okay, that's the farm animals for today, with their colors, their sounds. Enjoy your day, Plato. Until next time, bye-bye.